I want to take a look at video just released from the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration's hurricane hunters.
Look at the turbulence. Look at that.
Wow. Those are some brave people. One of their data collection planes flying through Hurricane Milton. I can't even imagine that this morning. In a post on X, they called it obviously what we see, what Ty just pointed out, a bumpy ride. They use these flights to help improve the forecast, support hurricane research as well. All that data that they're collecting could potentially save lives. That's the whole purpose of this.
Unbelievable.
Yeah, it really is.